Hi there, students. Anthropomorphic, an adjective, or to anthropomorphize, a verb. Okay, anthropomorphic means giving human form or human attributes to things. To anthropomorphize, to give human characteristics to animals, inanimate objects, different things. So I'm a real fan of fables, and in fables the animals can always talk. I don't know, there was a fox and he saw some grapes and they were hanging quite high up, and he jumped and he jumped and he jumped, but he just couldn't get them. And eventually the fox said, "Those grapes must be sour." So I'm anthropomorphizing the fox. I'm giving him human characteristics. He can talk, and he's feeling sour grapes. Okay, so to anthropomorphize, to give inanimate objects human characteristics. In stories, normally foxes are sly and tricky, and they have bad intentions. The dog is faithful and looks after the sheep and the people. Okay, anthropomorphization is a cognitive bias. It's a human cognitive bias. We always interpret things in a human framework, the way things work between people. We anthropomorphize the weather. We anthropomorphize our good and bad luck. We anthropomorphize our deities and gods. God is an old man with a beard sitting on a cloud. I think if he's really a god, then he's not going to look like that. Apparently, psychologists did an experiment about anthropomorphization, and they showed people an animation of various shapes moving around the screen, and then they asked people to describe what they had seen, and people gave human interpretations of the shapes. One shape was chasing another. They gave the shapes human motivations, and they described it in a human way. That is anthropomorphization. I think if you are a biologist, anthropomorphization is very dangerous, because animals think in a very different way to us. They have different motives, different reasons for doing things. Okay? So, if you think about aliens as well, very often aliens have one head and two eyes and two hands. This is anthropomorphization. Well, probably also the actors have to be human, so it makes it easier. Have you ever talked to your car? "Come on, move it, get going, start car." That's anthropomorphization, giving human characteristics to it. Or your pet dog or cat, you talk to it like you might talk to a human. This again is anthropomorphization, giving human characteristics to things that are not human. So next question, what about formality? I'd probably give this word between 6 and 7 in formality. I think in an informal conversation in the pub I might use to give something human qualities, but maybe you could use to anthropomorphize, because it defines very clearly what it means. Let's see, the origin of this word is from ancient Greek. Anthropos, man, human beings, and morphe, shape or form. So, form of man. Yeah? To anthropomorphize. Okay, so to anthropomorphize, to give human characteristics to things that don't have human characteristics. Like that, we can interpret them and relate to them. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Anthropomorphize. Anthropomorphic as the adjective.